In today's video, we're working on this Transporter T6 and we're upgrading the interior ambient lighting. Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies. Hope you're all keeping well. So as mentioned, we are doing the interior ambient lighting on this VW Transporter T6 that's come down from near Leicester for us to do our thing. He saw the blue ambient interior lighting. Blue's not really his colour, which isn't mine either. So he asked me to put together a kit specifically for him, which is red lighting, but he wanted as much as possible. So whilst he's been down here, we've fitted the V3 headlights, as you can see in the background, with the LEDs. We've also upgraded the rear clusters to an aftermarket smoke type cluster with the dynamic indicators and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump around to the side of the vehicle. We're going to turn the workshop lights off a little bit so you can see what we're going on about. Right guys, so turns the main workshop overhead lighting off just so you can really get a feel of this interior ambient lighting, so I can explain where we have fitted some certain products, and then Richard's going to turn off our workshop side lights so that you can see what's going on there. So first and foremost, door card lights. As I mentioned, we've done the blue ones before, but this is the red ones. So we've got an LED that shines across here and across into the door pocket here. This one is actually situated at the top just here, and it shines down into the pocket. We much prefer this version just purely because when you're driving you can't see it, whereas the blue ones, based on their instructions, you can. We then move over to the center. I'll just show you the side door over there. We fitted our tri-colour red, white and blue, and obviously set it to the red for the footwells, which comes off, works really nicely. And then up here we've fitted the W8 interior ambient light. So Richard's just going to turn off the side lights in the workshop, and you can really see them glowing there. You can see my hand, you can see the cockpit and the stereo and all this. So this light is being shone down from this light right here, and it's really, really cool. We've got the driver's side door there, and if I just get in, pretend I'm a driver, that is the view you're going to be seeing relatively of the red ambient lighting that we've done. And if I just come out again, just so you can really get it in its full glory, that is the red ambient lighting upgrade. So if you've got a VW T6, you want some red ambient lighting. I'll just quickly put the workshop side lights on again. If you've got a T6 and you want lighting like this, then just get in touch with us. We're always happy to help, even if it's something that's not rightly offered. Much like in this case, we've done the red ambient lighting when there was only blue available originally. If you've got a T6, again, if you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to know when we upload the T6 video specifically, hit that bell notification and you will be one of the first people to be able to see it. You can smash a like in there, and it really does help us out. We really do enjoy doing these types of videos. And as always, thanks for watching.